So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Manoj Trivedi, pediatric dentist and professor in College of Dental Sciences. So now dear aspirants, we are coming with one more video of UPPSC dental examination. Already before 1.5 months, we have uploaded video in the basic idea we have given to students, and many of them have benefited and they have started preparation. Now yesterday only the complete news has come regarding the UPPSC. So in this video, I'm going to deal with all the small details, and I'm going to try to clear the confusion regarding this UPPSC examination. And also at the end, we are going to announce what all lectures and test series we are providing for the same. So let's get started with the video. So first thing, you have to gear up. This is very good opportunity for all the dentists all over the India to participate and get clear in this examination. Many of time what happen, many students want to aspire or want to be the government dental surgeon. But what happened? The preparation used to lack. Many of you think that okay, चलो सिर्फ पल्स करके चले जाएंगे या थोड़ा सा पढ़ के चले जाएंगे तो हो जाएगा. So this is good opportunity. Don't take it as like a chance. Try to work over it and make it concrete that you are going to achieve. That's why you need to gear up. You have to be in discipline and you have to study properly, because remember, not 100 or 200 students are going to give the examination. Your seniors, those who clear 4-5 years before, they might have told exam easy hai, bas exam de do ho jaya clear. See, previously very few students used to go for the government examination. Nowadays students all over from the India used to participate in this examination. Nowadays the government dental exam has become like a, tough like a NEET examination, because competition is used to be more and more. So let's see what all things you have to go, check when you go for the form filling and as well as the exam details. So remember, there are n number of blocks available on the Google. If you write UPPSC dental exam, many blocks will come. Sometimes in this block information are correct, sometimes wrong information are there. If wrong information are there, you may get diverted towards in other direction regarding your preparation and for the examination. That's why please follow this authenticate website only. And any problem you have in form filling or after payment or whatever problem is that you are facing, you can contact on this number. The helpline number is available between 11 to 6 p.m. Now, before you go for the form filling, remember we have around 1 month for the form filling. So don't just have a rush and fill the form today only. Give at least 2 to 3 days. Have all your documents together, whether your mark sheets are there, your registration certificate are there, whatever, if you belong to any caste, that caste certificate are there. So please gather everything. You must have your active email ID, your mobile number, your proper educational qualification details, your scanned photos, signature, as well as when you are filling form, don't fill in the mobile. Try to fill in the laptop or computer where the printout facility is there, where you can take the printout of the application form also and fee slip also. Remember, nowadays online payment facility are there, so have your debit card or credit card, whatever is there, ready with you, so you can fill the form properly without any mistake. Now we have the test series and lecture series. If anybody want to join, they can contact me. The details are there on your screen. And remember, we have the application for the lecture series, and for test series we have the website. Now what are the essential qualifications are there? Previously it was there that only UP students can give the examination, but now they have made very simple. So those students who have done the BDS from the recognized university and have the license of any state, okay, the DCI regulatory body, any state council, you can give the examination. So if you are BDS, you can give the examination. Many of students are asking me, sir, right now I am in the internship, can I give the exam or not? No, dear students, BDS degree is essential. Second thing, if at all somebody is doing MDS or somebody completed the MDS, definitely they can give the examination because your BDS degree is already completed. Registration, any state registration will be okay. No problem will be there. Yeah, if at all after you join the job, they may tell you to change the registration. Right now for giving examination, any state council registration will be considered. Age limit, they have put very good age limit, that is between 21 to 40 years. Now schedule, they have not mentioned yet, but mostly in 3 to 4 months the exam will get announced. So you can expect in a month of November, December, the exam will be there. So you have good ample of time, 3 to 4 months to prepare properly. So you should not waste and bug up, and you should start the preparation properly. Now, what is the pattern of exam? So we have around 150 marks as per the previous past papers we see. 120 marks dental will be there, and 30 marks GK will be there. After you complete your written exam, the interview will be there. So like that, the recruitment test is going to happen. So I tell my dear student to focus more and more on dentistry, because you can get maximum mark because you are doing that thing from last 5 to 7 years. Okay, and remember dear students, negative markings are there. So you have to be very careful in your preparation, and you should have practice of giving exam on computer also, because it will be the computer based examination. That's why the practice of giving examination is also needed. So what all things we are providing in our test series and lecture series? See, we have a website which is mobile friendly, as well as you can give on the laptop also. So when you log in, you are going to get more than 50 papers, which include past papers of all the government exams available in India, subject wise papers, even the recent NEET and INICET paper, which can be helpful for such examination. We have in our application, that's the MDS Dental Academy. You can download on the Play Store. When you log in the application, you can get more than 700 micro videos. See, our lectures are not like a boring 1 hour, 2 hour videos, or you have to be live for the lectures, because many of you are a practitioner. Okay, so we have made a micro lectures topic wise 5 to 8 minutes, so everybody can grasp, they can revise easily and at their own wheel and time. Fine, dear aspirants, so we have a website and application for the test series and lecture series. Then now we are going to see how the form filling has to be done step 5. So dear aspirant, first of all you have to go to the website UPPSC.up.nic.in. After going to the website, you have to click on the notification, and here on the candidates dashboard. After that, you have to click on your concerned post, and then you have to apply based on the OTR. Then dear aspirants, you have to authenticate with the OTR server. Remember your post name and advertise number properly. After that, your OTR completion will be there. Then you have to go for the authentication by entering your applicant password, or you can enter the OTP also. Then the online application form will be there. Then you have to proceed for form filling, in which you have to enter all the details which I mentioned in the beginning of the video: your personal information, your high school information, your essential qualification, everything. Then you will go for the part 2 of form filling. Then in the part 2, after submission, you have to go for the preview the form. So whatever the mistake if you done, you can correct it and you can edit it also. Then dear students, you have to submit application form, and then the fee payment procedure will be there. The different fee payment is there, varies from the open category to the SC/ST. The maximum fee is around 105. Then dear aspirants, the details will be there, how you have to pay for your application. After paying for the application, the applicant form, the detailed completely filled applicant form will be there, which you have to take out the printout, and it will be written that the application form has been provisionally accepted. It means you are allowed for the examination. So dear student, that was all from my side. Okay, the information is in the description box. If anybody want to contact me, any help they want, I am always there for you. Till then aspirant, all the best and work hard.